Erie County's top doctor worries that we could be heading in the wrong direction as COVID cases continue to rise. And with school and cooler weather on the horizon, she says things will likely get worse if nothing is done. Channel 2's Rob Hackford joins me now. And why is that, Rob?
Yeah, well, Dr. Gail Burstein, Erie County's health commissioner, said today, compared to last year, the big changes are the Delta variant and the COVID vaccine. We didn't have either last fall, but they're working against each other. And although treatment has improved, Burstein said the recent trend is still concerning. Dr. Burstein pointed out where we are now versus this time last year, August 25th of 2020. We had 42 new COVID cases and 24 people in the hospital in Erie County. Well, this August 25th, just a few days ago, we had 5 times more new cases and more than 4 times the number of people in the hospital, 111 in Erie County alone.
And so we've seen a very consistent increase of the number of people hospitalized over the summer with COVID-19, where we should have been seeing a decrease. And so we know that it's only going to get worse because the hospitalization numbers follow the COVID case numbers.
The highly contagious Delta variant responsible for almost all of those new cases in Erie County, Burstein says, adding it is as easy to catch as chickenpox for the unvaccinated.
So we can only assume that if we don't do something now, our numbers are going to become much worse this fall, starting when school starts and then even progressing even higher like they did last year when it starts to get cold.
The spread of who's infected, Dr. Burstein said, is 60-40, 60% unvaccinated people and 40% vaccinated, with breakthrough cases becoming more common but with far less potential for serious illness or hospitalization.
And from our local data, the vaccine is very effective at preventing moderate to severe illness, hospitalizations, and death from COVID-19. It is somewhat effective of preventing COVID-19 infections.
Which is why the FDA is eyeing booster shots, Burstein says, to start in late September. Meanwhile, the region's COVID working group, made up of doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare providers, said last week over 90% of recent COVID deaths have been among the unvaccinated.
You know, it takes a community. It takes every single person's effort to do everything they can to prevent infection, masking, social distancing, and vaccinated. For people who are 12 and up, everybody should get vaccinated.
In Buffalo, Rob Hackford, Channel 2 News.